Hey everyone, it's Katie, and today I'll be making multi-wick candles. They're perfect for any house. You should add this to your line because they're super cheap to make and will leave any house smelling amazing. Let's take a look at the recipe. This recipe will make 2 16-ounce candles. First, you're going to gather your supplies. 2 16-ounce candle containers, 6 wicks, 6 wick sticker tabs, 6 wick holders, a double boiler, and a whisk. Now you're going to gather your ingredients. You'll need 95% or 30 ounces soy wax and 5% or 1 1/2 ounce fragrance. I went through our massive library here at AFI, and today I'll be using apple caramel crisp. I thought this would have some amazing aromas coming from the candle. Oh wow, that smells amazing. All right, let's get started. First, you're going to want to take your wick sticker tabs and place them under your wicks. Once you've done this, grab your selected containers and evenly space out the 3 wicks per container. You want to have an even amount of space from the wall of the candle to the wick. For my candles, I will need roughly 30 ounces of wax to fill both containers. If you want, you can stir it often to speed up the process. Remove from the heat immediately after melting and use the thermometer to read the temperature. This is important so you can make sure the wax is below the flash point of your fragrance. Now it's time to place your fragrance into the soy wax. Today I'll be adding 1 1/2 ounce fragrance. Once poured, make sure you consistently stir for 1 to 2 minutes to thoroughly incorporate. Pour the wax into each container and place wick holders around each wick to keep them in place during the curing process. You're going to want to wait 1 to 2 hours and let these candles cool. Finally, after they have cooled off, you want to trim off your wicks to approximately 1/4 of an inch, and then let them cure 2 to 3 more days before lighting. But if you have the time, you can wait up to 2 weeks for an even stronger smelling candle. When it's done, it'll look like this. If you like this product, be sure to check out our DIY on how to make our air fresheners. The combination of the two will make your house smell amazing. We paid about $2 for this product. It can go wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $6 to $7. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with our latest content. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!